Why is it so difficult? Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is MICKISHA. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, join the family. So this is part 2 of my travel vlog to New York. So the first half of the video you'll see me doing my sister Donna's hair. So right here I'm just giving her a little trim. Let's jump right into this video. And for the day after.
I need a vacation. I need to get on a plane and go somewhere. It's been a while. It's been way too long.
Girl, you know how tall Devin got? No. Devin is reaching me right here.
No way.
That's where his head is.
Wait.
Devin. Girl, I came in here last night. I was like, what the hell? Who is this kid? He eating. He probably have an attitude. Devin, come a second. Come a second.
We went to the Apple store today and me and Keisha had to stand up far away
Mickey
from
want
each
to
other.
see how tall you are.
Because I couldn't help her pick out her watch.
Come over here.
It was like we can't stand next to each other, so I had to make an appointment.
So after Donna's trim, I went ahead and shampooed her hair, and then I applied the leave-in conditioner to her hair. I did her hair the same way that I do my hair. If you would like to see the full wash experience, check out one of my videos of my wash days. I'm gonna leave one link in the cards for you guys. Donna has beautiful 4C hair, really tightly coiled. So this part of the video, I'm just showing her how to really work the product through her hair and define her curls and finger detangle.
So when do you put the gel in?
I just put some in.
How does the gel feel?
The gel feels nice. It's just a set with the leave-in dip.
Your crew, which is important. The only crew you cannot be on TV.
And the eyes, it's like the same build.
My father was a foreign student, born and raised in a small village in Kenya.
This is Donna's curls.
Look at that.
A few moments later.
Guys, while Donna hair is air drying, I'm just going ahead and set up these 2 end tables for her living room.
Day 3.
Y'all, Devin got me out here so early in the morning. Been out here since 7:30. The store doesn't open till 10. Trying to get this Xbox X10. Yeah. But at least I'm only the 3rd person online, so he got a chance. Guys, look at Donna's first day here, or should I say second day here? Oh, sorry. Look at that definition and shine. Donna, turn. Turn. Woohoo! Y'all, walking down Utica, about to go meet up with my little brother, Chris. I used to live in this neighborhood, y'all. Crazy how stuff has changed. How does that, you don't want to be like obvious.
You didn't see us?
I did, I didn't know.
Come on. I'm aggressive? No, I'm not.
Day 4.
Hey guys, so currently we're about to run some errands. We're heading to Queens right now, and then we gotta go to Target and BJ's to get some stuff, and that's the gist of it. It's raining today. Today's like the coldest it has been since, and it's still not really cold, but the weather is not nice since it's raining.
1 eternity later.
So guys, so we just came back from outside running some errands. So I'm just gonna unbox my new Apple Watch and let you guys see how it looks. This is actually, I had my old watch for a long time. This is the Series 1, so definitely been due for an upgrade. So yeah, and this is an early birthday gift, by the way. This is the strap that I use. You just print this off online because I got the loop. So I got the loop band in a size 7. You just put the piece of paper on your wrist like this, and you loop it around to where it meets. And I'm dead center at 7, so I got size 7, and I actually tried on a size 6 and a size 7. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the watch. Why is it so difficult? Okay. Here's the watch, and I got it in the 40 mm. It feels very heavy. And the charger doesn't come with a brick, just a charging cord. Go ahead and put on the band. So this is a size 7, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. Damn, it does feel a little loose.
Oh, you have 14 days. You can keep that in there.
What do you think?
You have 14
What size did you get?
I got a 6. You want to try it?
No. But this is a size 7. Set up for myself. Match your little code. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up, and then I'll show you guys. But so far it feels very nice. The quality definitely feels a lot better, I must say. I'm just gonna go ahead and set it up, straightforward setup like any other Apple product. Then I'll just come back.
Later.
So right here I'm just setting up Donna's new lamp. So guys, here's the lamp all set up on Donna's table. Donna thinks it's too big for the space. Let me know. I think it looks fine. I just still wish like it would like light up the living room a little bit more, because it's still just central, giving that like cozy vibe. What do you think, Donna?
Yeah, not that bright.
Or do
Oh,
you?
it came with a bulb?
No, I took Devin ball from his room.
The next day.
Okay, so let us vlog inside.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He He knows how to turn things up, and he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that, you got a history, but I don't wanna think.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Look out for my birthday vlog coming up next.
All who did not know me when not done, they gon' know the name. Million people coming down, dancing to a song.